Bow, 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 wow. Top of the mother trading morning. I don't know what y'all be doing at 9 o'clock in the morning, man, but you know, 9 o'clock in the morning don't work for everybody. But I've been up since 7 o'clock this morning. You know what I'm saying? In preparation, getting things done because I had a long weekend. Uh, you know, it is what it is. But try to get this music down just a little bit. So we're gonna get it in. We're gonna talk about the weekend a little bit. I got the show coming real soon, week 26. This is Trading Places. Oh, wait a minute. Trading Places term review. Week 26, goddammit. You know what I'm saying? Week 26, we in the mix, making it do what it do, hitting you across the head like a pile of bricks. You know what I'm saying? And it is what it is, man. Y'all got to take time out to thank the Almighty out there for waking us up. You know what I'm saying? And so today's show we're gonna be getting into is a kind of review of the words, because last week after we did the actual show in relation to this term about Trading Places, the movie. A little bit later, I came back and actually did a review. You know what I'm saying? I actually found the movie, uploaded the whole movie, and did a 3-hour analysis on it. You know, yeah. So yeah. But it was still a good time, you know what I'm saying? My lady jumped on the show and hung out for a little while, and learned a lot of new interesting points about the movie, you know what I'm saying? That I did not know, you know what I'm saying? I did not know because I wasn't familiar with it. And of course, the movie is from 1983. So, didn't have the freshest memory going on about the movie, you know what I'm saying? But it's all good in the hood, because that's why we here to do these reviews, you know what I'm saying? And that's what we're about to get into today. Just a little later on in a few minutes, I got presentation, you know what I'm saying? I know y'all ain't seen a presentation in a couple of weeks. But people, it takes time to do these presentations, and even this one is kind of rushed, but it's complete enough, you know what I'm saying, where you gonna be able to get something out of it. And again, we're in week 26. This is the Bitcoin and Mo Show, and I am your host, Mr. Smelly Coins. You know what I'm saying, with my co-host out there, Mr. Crypto Tony, the one and only of the Uncrypted Crypto Show. 8703, straight out of Baltimore, and I'm straight out of Florida, and we get it in, you know what I'm saying, and that's what it is. So if you try to look back on YouTube and find that and find the last broadcast we did, you won't find it. Damn, been 4 weeks since I did an actual. Wow. Okay. Yeah, it's been 4 weeks. I didn't know it took that long. So I actually did an actual show. You know what I'm saying? Since I actually put together an actual show, quote unquote. So, but it's all good because we still up in here. And if you don't know, again, if you don't know about this show and you just happen to come across it in week 26, which is I don't know what to tell you, but go back to week one. You know what I'm saying? Because we in week 26. And what we do on this show is we cover each and every Monday, Eastern, 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Me and my cohort, you know what I'm saying, Mr. Crypto Tony, we jump on here and we kick out some terms, 10 terminologies. We take out, 10 terms and definitions related to stocks and crypto, because that's what we do here on the Bitcoin and Mo Show. You know what I'm saying? We give you financial information, people, but we are not giving you financial advice. It's the difference. You know what I'm saying? If I tell you, what Solana, Ethereum, and I'm telling you these are networks that you can trade cryptocurrency, well, I mean, I'm not giving you financial advice. I'm just giving you financial information and tell you where you can actually possibly go to look up information, you know what I'm saying, to, get into, to get into, trade this stuff. But we don't give out financial advice, and we are not financial advisors. That is our everlasting understatement, overstatement, any kind of statements you want to put in between. And because again, we don't need y'all to be hating on us, talking about, oh, you told us to invest, like y'all be snapping on the other dude on that other show, going down his comments. Man, y'all brutal. You know what I'm saying? We don't need no brutal comments over here. You know what I'm saying? It's all about learning. We're not telling you to do anything. We're not telling you Virgin Galactic and go to the moon and go and put all your money into it and then it goes to shit. What we is telling you in probably about 30 minutes, at the price that it's at right now, it's probably going to drop by 83 cents. And you might want to go, if you got some extra little coins, and buy you some shares at 83 cents, because it's going to go back up into the $1.40 and all them kind of ranges in a minute, because that's just where it came from. Again, it's not financial advice, people. This is financial information, because I'm already invested in it. We already invested in it. So we just giving you a bird's eye view, you know what I'm saying, of what the real deal is. So it's like you could take the information and don't run with it, but take the information and utilize it for your own greater good, and that's really what it's all about. So that's why we always so passionate, you know what I'm saying? Jake Paul offered major opponent after canceling Mike Tyson fight. It didn't matter anyway. Let me take an interjection, people. All right. It didn't matter anyways about these old fluke ass Michael Spinks ass fights. There is no one that, I don't give a damn, at 50 years old, ain't nobody gonna get in no ring with Mike Tyson and think they gonna, if Mike got to that real seriously, because it's not about the age, people. Age ain't nothing but a number. That man can whoop ass all the way up until he 100, as long as he get in there and keep his body physically fit. You know what I'm saying? Which he got in there and they know he did. And they know Mike was dead ass serious. He wasn't even fucking off. And he might get in there and snap, you know what I'm saying? And really, you know what I'm saying, do something, do another Michael Spinks. Think about the dude that took that little air blow, you know what I'm saying, didn't even let him get a punch in, you know what I'm saying? You remember that shit? Oh, no, y'all ain't gonna pull this old Michael Spinks shit. Go ahead and dust his ass, hit him with a two-piece real quick. You know what I'm saying? These gloves was made for boxing. And that's just what they'll do. You put your face out there, they're gonna box all over you. Yeah. That was it, man. Goddamn, you gonna box all over you. You put your face out there, goddamn it. Hold up. Oh, wait a minute. Where the hell you went? Okay, there you go. I don't know what the fuck happened. There you go, goddamn Mr. Crypto Tony, the one and only out in fine streets of both.
Yo, can you hear me?
I hear you in all 32 wind patterns.
What it do, people? What it do?
All 32 wind. We there with you, nigga. You and everything else. We there with you. Yeah, in traffic with you.
Yo. Top of the trading
Oh,
morning, everybody.
yeah. What the fuck?
I'm on
Yeah.
my way here today.
The who?
Can you hear me or no?
Yeah, you say you're on your way. Well, hello. Yeah. What did they do? That just happened. All right, hold on. Let me go into the big one. And I'll bring you in a second. Hold on. Let me log in to the main switchy border. Damn it. All right, there we go. Damn, when you just driving, how the hell you just got there and went from driving to in the house? Oh, the filter. Yeah. That filter told me out, nigga. I thought you was in the house and shit. Damn, nigga, I made it to the motherfucking house. Oh, you did that shit. Show was created 7 o'clock this morning. You know what I'm saying? That's what we do. Yeah. Get it in, people. That's dedication, goddammit. I was too tired last night to talk about it.
Dedication.
Till 4 o'clock in the morning doing
dedication meet preparation.
Yeah, man. Trade these coins, goddammit. There we go. That's the pseudo name. Trade these coins. Yeah, so they took down my show though, which I figured they would. You know what I'm saying?
They took down the show. What took down what show?
The analysis I did, the Trading Places show.
They took it off YouTube?
Yeah. I did a damn 3.5 hour review of a fucking 1 hour and 56 minute goddamn movie. And you know, I broke that bitch down to the lower, you know what I mean? I break it down to the low people. And by doing that though, yeah, they say I violated whatever bullshit, you know. Cause I showed the whole movie. You can't show the movie, which is retarded. Cause I ain't show the whole movie. I'm showing clips of the movie, but I'm stopping all the way throughout it. You know what I'm saying? To damn do the commentary and shit. So therefore, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, you get to watch pretty much the movie, but damn, I mean, with all of my damn talking and interjections and shit, a bitch didn't want to watch it for nothing but the purpose of, you know what I'm saying, what I set out to do and get a bitch a review. I told him at the beginning, don't be trying to sit there and watch the movie because I'm going to talk all the way through this motherfucker. But, you know, they still did what they did and took my shit down. So
some of bitches.
It is what it is, but it's all good. That's why the words that we learned today, 10 turns, is some of the 10 turns. Some of the words I had to substitute because we already covered a couple of terms. I had to find a couple of new terms to substitute, put in there. But the new terms that I got are all related to the movie Trading Places. You know what I'm saying? These are actual terminology that was used in the movie. Some of it I didn't use because, you know, and some I did just to give old points of reference of how shit used to be. You know what I'm saying? Like we don't have pit floors no more, and we don't have trading floors no more. But those to know, you have to know from whence you came to know where you're going. You know what I'm saying? So if you remember how they used to do it, and then how it is now, then you can also know how they trying to simplify it and make it more seamless, even in the future. You know, make it more user friendly, and not having to rely so much on going through a broker or going through a third party, you know what I'm saying, to make a move for you, and they might not make the move fast enough for you. You know what I'm saying? So Yeah, I want my shit instant. I want instant, goddammit. Sell, Mortimer. Sell. Now, see, I don't want to be a Mortimer and shit. You know what I'm saying? Depending on this little weak dude who can't even handle the damn trading flow and shit. He can't handle the pressure of the trade flow. You know what I'm saying? The fluctuation of the assets that are moving throughout the market. Pork bellies.
Pork belly and orange juice.
Motherfucking pork bellies. Goddamn.
Motherfucking orange juice, motherfucker. $1 billion.
Good old OJ. Crazy. That is crazy. Let me pull up these charts, people, too. I pull up these charts while I get this uploaded real quick alike. And don't forget, follow us, like, and hit the subscribe button at VTC and Mo at Uncrypted Crypto. HC 703. I don't know why I don't like that blue. That blue look weird to me.
Damn, I ain't got no brass, yo. Hold up. I'm not going home and do this show for no another 2 hours without no weed. You got me fucked up.
Nigga, I'm sitting here looking like boop, 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 boop. I got some damn roaches up in this motherfucker that
I ain't even got it. I got mad at the world yesterday and threw the ashtray and all that shit. I threw the whole ashtray in the trash.
What?
I threw the whole ashtray in the trash because I was rolling up a blunt and I dropped half of the weed in the ashtray and all the weed got all the ash and shit on it, so it made me mad. So I got angry as fuck.
Hell nah, man. The fuck that got to do with it? The fucking shit is turning into ash anyway. Nigga, recycle.
Nigga,
it's called recycle, people. What the?
That's why I got no weed now, nigga.
Sometimes I think I know this dude. Sometimes people, this man. I swear I ain't never met this brother in my life. You know what I'm saying? I think this is the first year we done met. That statement right there, I think this is the first time we done met. It's some bullshit. This nigga not even alcohol abuse. This nigga committed the ultimate abuses. I mean, not throwing weed away before. I mean, nigga done gave me some goddamn, some who the fuck planted this in they goddamn backyard type shit. You know what I'm saying? And got away with it. But
that backyard boogie.
That backyard boogie. Man, I had to quickly throw that shit on the ground. I'm talking about on the ground. Like, kick it on the ground and rub it around and get rid of that bullshit. Nobody else shouldn't be exposed to fuckery. But hey, y'all out there doing that shit. But then I got dudes, you know what I'm saying, that come up to me and I swear they you know, on every other drug but weed, but then they come up and give me the, you know, some of that old weed. You know what I'm saying? I'm like, what? I'm about week 22. What the fuck am I doing? Week 22. I ain't no week 22.
They were trying to set us back a couple. What is 25? 26? This 26?
Oh, 26. Yeah, what the fuck is this? That can't be. Don't tell me. Damn, don't tell me that. Because if it did, it overwrote the fucking show. Damn, don't tell me I did that.
Motherfucker. Damn, motherfucker. I'm telling me did that.
Let me see. Fuck shit ass. Nah, I named it as week 26. Oh, the bitch went into the wrong folder. Oh, okay. I know something's wrong. What the hell? All right, wrong folder, people. My bad. Where? CBEA. There we go. I see you over there. And no. Good hell. All right. Yeah, there we go. All right. So something up. Something done went up because I was at 1073. Who done went up?
Oh, yeah. You know, let me look at my shit. Bro, I sold some of my motherfucking car. I sold it right on time, bro. I sold that shit As soon as I showed that shit dropped right down, that shit dropped 11%. I said, yeah, I'm about to buy back in. I'm about to buy back in cacao.
Dang. Let's see what everybody doing. Bitcoin ain't really doing nothing. AVAX still sucking ass. Doja is up, but they ain't making no major moves. Litecoin down. Sheep down. Well, we got about another 9 minutes until the floodgates over for these stocks, people. We're gonna see what the hell go on with the market for the day. Yeah. So okay, so Webull, I looked at Webull. Webull allows unlimited day trading.
For what?
That's what it said. It said unlimited day trades on Webull.
I don't know when they still doing that.
That's what it said.
What's going on, King? How you doing?
On Webull?
Oh, no, period. Like you can't do more than 3 day trades unless you got more than $1 million trading account. What's going on, King? I need a $25 eighth of whatever. The best of whatever.
Say what else? Well.
Yeah, I'll get some more later on. I just need some more right now.
Yeah, what the fuck was I looking at?
Y'all saw blunts? No. Let me get the high hemp, the green pad. Yeah.
All right, I don't know what the fuck I was looking at. Yeah. Trading
buying some Virgin Galactic today or no?
Yeah, I want to see what it's on. I got covered, but I mean, I'm at 274. I'm just trying to get it even 300.
300 or what? 300 shares of Virgin Galactic?
Yeah, I'm at 274, so I just want to even it all. Even it all.
All right, yeah. Till next time. All right, King, how you doing, bro? Yes, sir. You know, I think I gotta go to the fucking doctors. I think I got a doctor's appointment today.
Oh, for the checkup on your ankle?
I go get motherfucking surgery done. I gotta get my motherfucking teeth taken out. A motherfucker broken half.
Damn.
I said, I don't know if my body ready for those motherfucking surgeries, goddamn it.
Ah, damn. I don't like mouth surgery. One thing I like to take care of my teeth, people, because dentists and dentistry is not my shit. You know, I don't like needles anyway.
When your shit break, nigga, ain't got nothing to do with taking care of your motherfucker, nigga. That motherfucker broke. Clow. Start crunching on that bone gristle.
Well, I did that before though. I broke a tooth and they, tried to ignore it. That bitch it got to a jagged point, and I fucked around and bit on something. I was chewing and bit on something. I'm talking about bit of straight hole in my tongue. I'm talking about straight through that bitch. Mouth bleeding like somebody done whooped my ass. I mean, like,
Shut up.
Gargle with peroxide. Gargle a lot of peroxide, and then I put little ointment. You know what I'm saying? I put that shit right on the hole, the blood clotted, and yeah, man, that shit hurt like E motherfucker. I don't know how the hell I got that goddamn tooth out, but I damn sure, smooth that bitch out the way it was damn near nothing. Cool. What? That motherfucker put a nigga shit in the dark.
My man saying,
well, we ain't got no weed over here, people, so yeah, I'm saying, sorry. There will be no smoke.
Sorry. Side.
over here.
That nigga apologizing to y'all for not having no weed this morning.
Yeah, it'll not be a situation over. Yeah, y'all ain't getting nothing but education over here. Goddamn it. Shit. Fuck the details, but y'all be all right. Y'all gonna be all right. Fuck with that. Mm-hmm. Got Father's Day coming up. You know what I'm saying? And I don't know what that means, but Father's Day coming up.
Shit don't mean no damn thing,
I mean, yeah. And it's so fucked up. You know what I'm saying? I put out there on Facebook, you know, I got Father's Day watches for sale. Niggas, why y'all bringing y'all dumb ass to buy you don't buy a fucking watch for yourself? Stupid. I don't want to come up. I said, nigga, none of y'all read the goddamn something. Two of them thought I was talking about giving away motherfucking Father's Day gifts. I don't give a fuck about you niggas, man. You ain't my daddy. The fuck? Hell no, nigga. I said sale. 10. No, I don't think I said. I probably did say 10 for one, but $20 and $30. Man, I ain't on that bullshit right now. I'm doing $20 on everything until next week. You know what I'm saying? Closer it get, the higher the price go. Cause that's when y'all gonna be running around trying to find just anything. Right. I'm having for you. Right there. You got there early on that Friday before Father's Day. I'm gonna be out there early on that. I ain't even gonna fuck off. No bullshit. I know bullshit. I get it in. And this is just something we giving y'all some little news till we get into the show, people. I got the little presentation loaded. You know what I'm saying? It's been about 4 weeks since we had an actual presentation, but that's it, a real one, you know. But hell, we been getting it in. And today's show again is some terms that derive from the old movie Traded Places, which stars Eddie Murphy, Dan Aykroyd, and Jamie Lee Curtis. And it was a movie that was produced back in 1983. And if anybody is in stocks or crypto trading, it to me is a must that you go and watch this movie. And if you've seen the movie before, possibly as a kid or a teenager, and you are in stocks or crypto now, I'm telling you, it is a wise decision to go and re-watch the movie with a stock and crypto mindset. Not for entertainment, not to try to find all of the punchlines and how many titties, you know what I'm saying, came out throughout the movie and shit. No. That's natural distraction anyways. You know, and I let y'all know that, you know what I'm saying? I was queuing in titty alerts, you know what I'm saying, every time titties came on to, you know, minimize the titties from the 80s, you know what I'm saying, the 80s titties. And you know, there's a little bit perkier, smaller and perkier than, you know, today's titties, because y'all done put semen in your titties and shit, and you jack the shit all up.
This
bitch, you a real big house now. Yeah.
Monday or Tuesday.
Man, we don't talk about brick houses and bodybuilding. They're not really putting goddamn cement mix in your titties and ass and talk about, I'm a brick house. No, man, that is not the brick house we looking for. And fucking y'all walking stone statues and shit. Yeah, they put our ass out top, hit me on my ass, baby. Shit, I hurt my hand last time trying to hit that goddamn brick wall. That nigga hit you, that nigga fucking you in the bed thinking he hitting the glory hole and shit. Like, this ain't no ass. I just feel like I'm fucking a wall and shit. This the glory hole. Yeah. That's how we gotta weed people. You know what I'm saying? Shit, fuck that.
That's a natural high shit right there.
So it's gotta kick in.
Yo, I'm about to get a new dog, yo. I'm about to get another dog.
The mix in with the 3? The 2 already?
Well, you know, at that house, I got 2 dogs. At my house, I got another dog. But I gotta get a boyfriend for my dogs so I can make some money. I got 2 female dogs with no male dogs, so I just now brought a King Corso.
I mean, well, the little old dog, that bitch ain't finna do nothing anyway. Better not try to take no dick.
Oh no, I'm talking about. You know, I got another dog too. I actually got 2 more dogs. One of the dogs is in motherfucking Connecticut with my girl mother, and then the other one is at my kid's house with my baby mother. I got Mastiff. My Mastiff is a Boer mixed with a Prussia Canary, and then I got Mark and Bully. So I'm gonna mix my Boer and Prussia with King Corso, which in turn gonna give me a fucking big ass litter.
Yeah, my daughter, she be doing that. Raising whatever kind of pit bulls they got. I don't know. No baby pits and shit. And you know, she's selling with all the papers and shots and all that shit, you know, like $800 a piece. So they just be buying them.
Yeah, I just gotta pay fucking almost $2,000 for this fucking King Corso.
Okay, gates are open. Let's see where space is going. All right, see where we're going, SPC. Yay! More money. I thought I had 31. Oh, okay. I was gonna say I thought I had 30-something dollars. All right.
Virgin Galactic shares are up 5.8% at 91 cents. So there's a market open up. I get them notifications, baby. That's what you talking about. Get your notification games up.
Yeah, you talking about that shit at 88 cents.
Not on Cash App. Not the message I just got. It says at 91.
Well, I'm on Cash App.
That's at 88.
Mm-hmm.
Well, my belief is that it's going to go down to about 80 and maybe even dip in the 70s. So I'm trying to hold off. I'm gonna buy today. I wanted to buy like 200 shares today. We'll see how that work out.
Damn, I'm at 250. I thought I had 270. I got 257 shares.
The goal 500, right?
Yeah, the goal is 500, but the goal is 1,000. See if I can get back up to 1,000.
Right, the goal, yeah.
But the short-term goal is to get it back up to 500 and shit. Cause I had to goddamn motherfuckers just didn't pay me my motherfucking money on time. You know what I'm saying? It ain't me. It's other people. You know what I'm saying? Fucking my shit up.
Right.
You know, and that just be the whole fucked up part of life, people. You know what I'm saying? Like everybody don't want to see you. People see shit that you don't fucking see. People see your success before you see it. And people know how to, and people who see that will try to throw a monkey wrench into your situation. You know what I'm saying? To keep you from being successful. Or like me, I you know, it's just come to that time where you have to admit to yourself, man, you have to change your circle. I have to change my circle. I cannot sit up here and progress, man, when I don't have nobody in my motherfucking circle on this show right now.
Yeah. Yeah.
I got to change my circle. I'm dead ass serious about that. If my lady can get up, you know what I'm saying, when she was in Hawaii at a whole different time zone. You know what I'm saying? And give me some peak interest. And I've been doing this shit 26 weeks, and not nan one of you motherfuckers even goddamn, you know what I'm saying, took time out to give me any kind of support and come on the show. And oh well, then fuck it. Then I don't need you. I don't need you in my circle, man. You're not helping at all on what the fuck I'm trying to do.
Mm-hmm.
And what I do that benefits me, it benefits everybody. So no, you know. But again, people, you got to wake up to yourself and realize, you know what I'm saying, that sometimes you just got to kick bitches to the curb. It's everybody wants to be associated with success. Everybody, who the fuck you know wakes up and say, man, I want to find the most unsuccessful person to kick it with today. I want to find, well, you know what I'm saying?
I'm getting out my car.
Yeah, 90. Then I went back up to 90. You lost audio. Or you put yourself on mute.
Hey, I was just trying to come in. Hold on, let me see. Hold on. Oh, wait. You can't see it. Y'all can't see it. Y'all can't see it. You can see it.
Nigga, we see you goddamn your filter, motherfucker.
Oh, damn. I can't.
Hey, I got that filter on the whole time. Can you see my new house?
Wait, shut up, motherfucker. I turned it on. Look.
Okay, here we go. What we got? Oh yeah, we still there all along.
Hey.
We still there all along.
He's still here.
He's still there all along.
All up and down the block.
All up and down the street, baby. Shouts out to all along, goddamn it, cause we all along, all over your shit. You know what I'm saying? You ain't fucking off. Now fucking off, people. We came through and painted the motherfucking city with our own little tags. You know what I'm saying? Trying to make it do what it do. Fuck it. That's how the all along out there, motherfucker. I was trying to explain that to my lady and shit. I forgot the damn dude name just that quick. I'm like, oh, fuck it. It was long something, all long. Long something. I forgot. But it was a good time. Good time. Goddamn it. Good time. All right. So, how long you got till you get to the house? Are you heading to the house?
Yeah, I'm heading to the house. I'm like 5 minutes away. Actually, I'm 7 minutes away.
All right, people. So we got 7 minutes until we break into the review. Meantime, in between time, I'm finna try to make a blunt.
Hey,
now, if y'all know what making a blunt means, and that's why I don't like having my homeboys around when I be trying to use my grinder and shit. Cause a nigga go into your grinder and hit your little keef that you got saved up in that bitch if you don't watch it. And then y'all know what keef is. That's all that dried up residue and shit that builds up at the bottom of your grinder. And that's that shit you can go back and then sprinkle. Man, I'm talking about that. Woo! Depending on what y'all, I can't speak for everybody because some of y'all be out there smoking that goddamn Reggie motherfucking Bush, so you know your shit gonna taste like Reggie Bush. You know what I mean? Don't matter. It's just gonna be a whole bunch of caked up Reggie. You know what I'm saying? But you smoke this shit that I be smoking, yeah, that motherfucking build up game gets serious, boy. I'm talking about. It gets serious on the rec yard, people. It get motherfucking serious.
Man, you ever smoke a whole blunt of that shit? Put some little bud in there, put that shit in. That shit burn forever, too.
Me and my homeboy, I'm telling you now, me and dude named Partyshaw, DJ Partyshaw. I'm talking about, man, I rolled weed, then you had no weed. No weed. And I'm talking about, bro, I had maybe 6. I'm talking about, I ain't even gonna I'll call them bitches riches, not roaches. You know what I'm saying? Them bitches was riches. Yeah, not even roaches. Half a roach is a rich. You know what I'm saying? That motherfucker was a roach. It wasn't even a roach. That bitch was a roach. Man, I took about 6 of them bitches, and I think I at that time had a probably Swisher or White Owl. Probably White Owl. I think it was a white owl. You know, white owl burns slow any fucking way. And I'm talking about, man, I'm talking about pen. When you talking about a pen blunt, I'm talking about this bitch was jailhouse backed up with cell block 4. You know what I'm saying? Goddamn it, small, like tiny. But man, we fucked around and we passed that shit and hit it. Man, I'm telling you, man, if that nigga got on this show right now, he'll tell you to this day that was I'm talking about when nigga, we was like out of this world how for that motherfucking shit. And we ain't never found no goddamn nothing, you know what I'm saying, related, you know, in that realm since. You know what I'm saying? Like nothing. Like no roaches, I should say, came up, you know what I'm saying, in comparison to that shit. Cause boy, I'm talking about we was like, what the fuck is in this shit? Hiding a motherfucker, boy. Just me and him. Can't even tell nobody about the shit because it was just me and him.
Yeah.
You don't want to believe, you know? Nah, nigga. You ain't do that shit, nigga. Like, all right. Got to convince you, shit. I know what it is. I know what it is, people. All right, we're going to get the show started in just a second. I'd like to thank y'all for tuning in to the Bitcoin and Inmo Show, Smokers Edition. Well, I guess that's every motherfucking Monday.
I was about to
say. Like, what edition is that? Like, you fucking guys, I mean, like the Black Cheech Marion and Chong. What's going on? Yeah. Homeboy just got out of damn jail. That nigga done did 2 years in jail. Like, 2 years in jail, nigga. Man, with these damn white folks, man, you can't play. Listen, y'all come down here to the South, man. I mean, I'm speaking from experience. You know, I've had my little rope-a-dope bullshit with them. But it's just not worth it time-wise. Because these people are we living around in a world full of bunch of Trump. Like, for real. Like, these people just, they go out and don't give a fuck what they do. And then when you catch them into it and bust them and try to goddamn reprimand them, what they still do. They turn around and continuously waste y'all time. Trump will never go to fucking jail. Why? Because he got appeal power. He's just gonna appeal until he dies. That's the loophole of the fucking judicial system. If you have money, you can appeal. And I guarantee you, he can appeal for at least 10 years. Nick, the motherfucker only got good 10 years left for his ass gone. So it's like, you know, shit, he ain't got much time, so he ain't give a fuck. You know what I'm saying? I don't know.
Like a crazy
but
everybody still can run for president.
Now, again, because this whole ass backwards, goddamn, this country ass backwardsly, you know what I'm saying, promotes stupidity. And that's just an ultimate stupid act that they allow him to do. You know what I'm saying? They allow him to do that shit. So it is what it is. But I never blame any president. You know what I'm saying? I've always blamed the government itself, the body, the Senate. You know what I'm saying? The House of Representatives, Congress, Supreme Court. All these people are the ones that's making the fucking decisions, trickle up decisions, because they make the decisions, send them through all them whack ass channels, and then it gets to the goddamn president. He don't need to read it. Why the fuck is he reading it if I don't have 400, 500, 600 people approve, disapprove, reapprove, you know, reshape it, shape it, and then make it perfect? By the time it got up here, this shit should be perfect. I ain't supposed to be reading nothing. I'm just supposed to be signing off and boom. You know what I'm saying? Okay, boom, there you go. All right. again, now, any good president like Obama did, he actually read shit though. You know, he actually took time to read the briefings. He actually took time to read the briefings. He actually took time to read policies. He took time. All they had to do his goddamn job. Not like what we got or had with well, shit. We ain't got that in goddamn sleepy ass Joe.
Yeah, I was about to say, these motherfuckers
fucking slow by, and this motherfucker sleeping in every goddamn meeting he can goddamn get in and shit. Like, why y'all ain't got the robotic version of this motherfucker walking around? Like, fuck out of here, man. Fuck out of here, man. Can't get jiggy with that.
You see Tesla about to release they released their second generation of that robot. And next year, by the end of this year, they're gonna be using the robots to put the cars together in their factory. And right now, what the internet is saying is that GM, Ford, Pepsi, all like these major companies, which one will get in line first to get the robots first? Because whoever get the robots first is going to be the person who has the upper hand. Because they can lay off more people with the robots, they can cut costs more and shit like that. So who gonna get in the queue first? Get these motherfucking robots. Tesla already laid off 10% of their motherfucking workers.
Common people, y'all want to be so advanced. But in order for us to be advanced, we got to phase you motherfuckers out. So, yeah. Y'all could scream, bring on the future, but bringing on the futures means humans sit the fuck down and get out the goddamn way. And go and find something to do. So now, that's going to be the next thing. Now we got to find something for you motherfuckers to do. You just sitting the fuck around. Anybody who bored and sits the fuck around long enough gonna do what? Find some bullshit to get into. They're not gonna find nothing positive. They're gonna blame the robots. All fucking robots. Just like the fucking Mexicans and the blacks. They took all the jobs. Just like the Mexicans and the blacks. We gotta kill them. I just fucking with you. Not really, but I'm fucking with you. Yeah.
Not really, no.
Yeah. They real, cause people not overstanding these little stupid movies and shit. Like I told the dude, I said, man, it wouldn't matter if a robot walked down the street right now. You all are dumbed down to it already. You're so dumbed down to it, you're expecting it now. You're at the level that you want it now because the movies have upplayed it, and iRobot and all of these damn, sci-fi robot movies and shit. Y'all dumbed down. Y'all thinking that's gonna be cool. Y'all, yeah, let's do it. But again, for every action is an opposite and equal reaction. You know what I'm saying? And the buffoons here in the United States of America, I just don't trust any type of technological program to be left up to a bunch of idiots. I'm sorry. It sounds cool, but when you got idiots that don't know what the fuck they even doing, or you got these old pasty ass motherfuckers that don't even want to embrace the shit. I mean, hell, you know what I mean? Everybody was talking about cloud. These motherfuckers still saying, no, it's the World Wide Web. All right, well, I don't want to come on in. All right, let me get this damn little joint together.
Yeah, I'm
That's all I got. That's all I got, people. Little jizz on it. You know, man. Y'all ever want to send some bud, you know what I'm saying? You can send it to 445 Canterbury Lane. These nuts. These nuts, Florida, goddamn. You make sure you send that shit. All right, here we go. Oh shit, a whole bud. All right, come out. Mm-hmm. What people do for reverse. Crazy, man. My homeboy sell weed, but he be selling that bullshit. My other homeboy get out of jail last night, like I was saying, and he was like, "Man, I got that motherfucking ZA. You know what I'm saying? $15 for the 3.5." I'm like, damn, I want to buy this shit. You know what I mean? But I really couldn't be. I really didn't want to spend the cash and shit, and then I didn't want to spend the cash out because I wanted to keep the money on cash out to invest in. You know what I'm saying? Virgin Galactic. I'm like, nah, fuck it, I ain't gonna spend the last little crumbs and shit. I'm no goddamn weed. I'm gonna invest in myself. Fuck it. I'll find some roaches somewhere. And bling bling, look what we did.
Oh, yo. Don't tell me I did what I think I did, yo.
Don't beat me down. Knock the shit over.
Oh, no, I ain't do what I think I did. I thought when I got out to show you the all-long shit, I dropped the package of weed out my lap.
Oh. Been there, done that.
Damn, man.
Been there, done that. And I drove all the way back to the motherfucking scene, goddammit.
What?
And the shit been there, you know what I'm saying? Like,
I just wrote that 25 sack. I'm gonna go back and get that. That's
what?
the morning, John. You know what I mean? I'm gonna smoke that before I even leave back out to go make some money.
Yeah, I'm gonna call my dog and get one of them 15s from his ass. Shit, I'll do that. 3.5 for the 15. Yeah, let me go and grab that from you. Fuck. All right. My other homeboy, he looking all crazy and shit because I don't want to buy no weed from him. Nigga, I ain't buying no weed from you. You know how you get a nigga that sit up there and want to, this is the type of nigga he is. Yeah, he'll come up, fat blunted at, you know, some ooh wee, you know what I'm saying, to smoke with you. But then when you be like, man, let me get some of that. Oh no, he gonna sell you the brown clown and shit. You know what I'm saying? It's not gonna be what the fuck he goddamn advertised. He is not that. Nah, bro. I don't mean you playing games, man. That bullshit.
Hit you with the rope and dope and shit.
Straight rope and dope.
Garbage.
Nigga motherfucker sold me I think like 2 grams. He put it in this shit. What the fuck about it? What the fuck? This big ass shit. But nigga, a corner. Doing fucking old people. Or like I just showed you the packet with the little bikini and shit. You know what I'm saying? Niggas got to getting all designer with the fucking bags and shit. I'm like, bro, I just want to buy some weed, man. You niggas got me feeling like I'm buying cosmetics or some shit or something other than weed with all this marketing and shit y'all got going on. You know what I'm saying? You niggas swear y'all went to marketing school or some shit. Oh, y'all, you got to make the weed look good. How you going to dress up an illegal product? It's illegal, motherfucker. I ain't gonna down here is still illegal, so-called.
Disarm now. Your hope is now disarmed. Ready to arm.
Calm down. You have weed ready in your room. Calm down. Oh, all right. That motherfucking tear this bitch up. No, your weed is ready and it is rolled. Oh shit. Well, that's a smart house right there. You know what I'm saying? I don't know what the fuck y'all talking about, smart house. Yeah. My house knows when I'm coming home. It knows the type of weed that I need to smoke. You know what I'm saying? In order to reach the level of euphoria that I'm trying to reach as I come home. So it's gonna roll the blunt. It's gonna select it. It's gonna roll the size that I need. You know what I'm saying? And everything. So when I get in the house, as soon as I come in, a fucking blunt just falls out the ceiling and shit. And welcome home. You've got blunts. Y'all stood me, dude. Y'all stood me. All right. All right, man. Your 83 ain't goddamn hitting 83 yet. It's been keep bumping up to 90 and shit. 89, 90.
What's that, Virgin Galactic?
Yeah. Bumped up to 91. I ain't finna put nothing. I might put $3 on it and shit. Just to get 260 shares. And I can't get nothing out of it. Let me see, 30 shares, get me to 287. Fuck it. All right. With what I have. All right. Once again, people, we in week 26 right here on the Bitcoin in the Moat show. You're in the building with Bitcoin, BTC in the Moat. Something like that. Weed kicked in, people. Y'all was cheating, man. That mother weed kick in, boy, that bitch was what? Clear out any thoughts and shit. What the fuck was I thinking? You were thinking about weed. There's nothing else to think about. Only think about the marijuana. Yes, I will only. We're getting caught up in the wrong shit. All right, people. So we about to when we come back on, we're gonna officially get it popping. We almost at the top of that. We're almost at the top of the hour anyway. That's what we do right here on the Bitcoin Emotion. Yeah, that's what we do. Let me get it in. Tell a friend. Check on in. And ever want to be on the show, you know what I'm saying? All you got to do is hit us up. And we get you on the show. It's BTCNMO8703 at gmail.com or Uncrypted Crypto. Ain't it or is it just Uncrypted Crypto at Gmail?
Uncrypted Crypto.
Yeah. And I'm the 8703. So Uncrypted Crypto at gmail.com or BTCNMO 8703. And that's the Gmail. So y'all can hit us up, you know what I'm saying? Be like, hey man, I want to be on the show. I got some information that might, you know what I'm saying, be beneficial for the show, and I want to jump on it and see what you guys got going on, and we get it in, make it happen. Real quick, let me check if we got any. Wait, who? Bitcoin billionaire firm to settle DC tax fraud suit for $40 million. That don't even make sense. You know what I'm saying? Like, you know that this bitch make billions off of this shit in fraud, and all you talking about is $40 million.
Who you think you got? Chelsea Clinton?
That's it. Like, oh man, nobody don't want to hear you fake ass motherfucker, rich dad, poor dad author Robert whatever predicts Bitcoin to reach 100,000 K by June. Bitch, we in June. Fuck is you talking about? Fuck, all they want to say some shit. Nigga, y'all gambling. Shut the fuck up, gamblers. Stop trying to goddamn fuck up the goddamn gambling circuit. Y'all fake ass goddamn tweets and oh, I think it's going to the moon. Since Elon's not going to say anything, I'll say something.
I want to be the next Elon.
Like, it's going to the moon. I don't know what it is, but something's going to the moon. Oh, shit.
Let's see what we got here.
That's what grab. That's the headlines. That's the grabbing headlines right there. You know what I'm saying?
Oh God, I'm gonna take out this fucking brace. That shit is killing me.
No. Toyota's fucking up.
You.
Alright, so let's check this out. Alright. I hear you. I don't know if you saying yo because you can't hear it, but I hear you.
I was Mike checking the
Alright, so let's see real quick. Billionaire Bitcoin investor Michael Saylor and the software company he founded have agreed to pay $40 million to settle a lawsuit by D.C. Attorney General alleging he defrauded the city of millions in taxes by falsely claiming he lived in Virginia or Florida, D.C. officials said. I just don't get it. I really just don't get it, man. It's just like, you know, I understand you know what I'm saying. You get into the game and you do dirt to get into the game, but once you in the game, like, clean yourself up.
Right. Like,
why you won't clean yourself up? Like, you got billions now. Why are you still trying to defraud for millions when you got billions? That shit just don't make sense to me. I mean, it's the greed factor, but greed is just so limitless, man. It's just, when is enough? Like, how much is enough? Like, damn, how much is enough? Like, got $1 trillion, you know what I'm saying? You got some shit that bitch can't even pronounce. Why are you still trying to work and get more money? Why are y'all 80 years old still fucking talking about money? That don't make no sense to me. None of these people talk about living. All of these people just talk about make money, make more money, make more money. None of them tell you how to live. None of them tell you how to spend it so you can enjoy it. None of them tell you to take these trips and then use these trips to get the tax write-off of it. Nobody will tell you to fly first class and then tax write-off the first class. And that's how these motherfuckers is actually living the lifestyle. They're not saying that shit, though. They living their life on a write-off. You always hear that. People always want to sit up here and tell you.
They get $1 million. They get $1 billion. They put that shit in the motherfucking into a dividend motherfucking stock that'll pay them every motherfucking month. Just leave their money there.
Yeah.
They making $100,000 a month, $100,000 a year just by putting their money in dividend stocks and shit. You know what I mean? That's what they, you know. Can't knock them, man. They gotta stop knocking the smart man who know where to put his money at. No shit. If I made $1 billion, I don't want to give the fucking government $40 million. Fuck them. I want my billy. They ain't do shit to help me get it. You know what I mean? That's Trump shit. Trump will tell you. Shit, I use all the motherfucking laws to save me money. That's what they there for. Don't be mad at me because I use the law.
Well, and first of all, I want to see how the fuck these bitches get mad anyway. How you all are sitting up here talking about suing him when the District of Columbia ain't even a fucking real goddamn state? DC is the District of Columbia. It doesn't belong to the fucking United States. So why the fuck would this stupid ass motherfuckers be talking about something like y'all linked up with Florida and any other state? You're not a goddamn state. You're not. You're the District of Columbia. You belong to this, what the fucking title says. You can't get over that. It doesn't say State of Columbia. It doesn't say, it says a District of Columbia. So therefore, that shit belongs to Columbia, not the fucking United States. It's not a state. No matter how they keep trying to goddamn soup up that old fake ass shit, man. It's not a fucking state. It's the District of Columbia. It doesn't. And why, if that's the case, then this is the District of Florida? What would that mean? That don't make sense. Why would it be if this is the District of Mexico? They just obviously got some shit to do with Mexico. But anyways, people, we ain't got time to be goddamn going down the rabbit hole of stupidity with the United States of America that want to sit up here and teach communism to your motherfucking kindergartners and shit. So, hey. But don't want to teach about, you know what I'm saying, past slavery, atrocities, and all of the shit that, you know what I'm saying, y'all fucking forefathers did to other fucking people and shit. Oh, no, let's not talk about that. Get the fuck out of here, man. That shit. All right, anyways, people, I'm about to go off on a deeper end shit. You know what I'm saying? We talking about investments up in here. Goddamn it. It's all about investments up in this bitch. So we got to get into it, man. You know what I'm saying? Got a couple of tisms loaded. You know what I'm saying? We at the top of the hour. So we're going to get into it and show y'all how we do it. And this is the week 26 review of Trading Places. So again, I watched the movie Trading Places last week on the show. And we did a little something on it, but it had a whole bunch of problems and shit. What the fuck is going on, Virgin? And I wasn't able to show the film during the 9 a.m. show. So I came back a little later on, I think it was 9 o'clock that night, and then stayed up to like 12 something in the morning, you know what I'm saying, watching the movie and really doing the breakdown and my personal breakdown analysis of it. But so these were the terms, you know what I'm saying. I ain't even covered some terms in it, you know, so that's why I'm bringing some of these terms back. So we about to get into it. It's 10 terms, and then we do what we do right here on the Bitcoin Info Show with your host, Smelly Coin and Crypto Tony, the one and only. Hey, let's get it. Let's go. I don't want to press it twice and shit. And be all sensitive.
Pork belly is a commodity used to make bacon, but also a trading term for a type of future contract. Futures contracts an agreement to buy or sell a set amount of a commodity at a specified price at a specified time in the future. Float is the number of shares a company has issued to the public that are available for trade. Arbitrage, simultaneously buying and selling securities, currency, or commodities in different markets to profit from price discrepancies. Commodities, physical goods like gold, oil, or corn are traded on the market. Pit trading is a method of trading in a physical location, such as the trading floor featured in the movie. Long position, a situation in which you buy and keep a security or derivative with the expectation that it will rise in value and make a profit. Liquidity, the ease with which an asset can be bought. A long position is a situation in which you buy and keep a security or derivative with the expectation that it will rise in value and make a profit. Moving average, MA, a stock indicator commonly used in technical analysis. The reason for calculating the moving average of a stock is to help smooth out the price data by creating a constantly updated average price. Day trading, the practice of buying and selling financial instruments within the same trading day.
Alright, I know that shit sounded louder than a motherfucker to me, but fuck it, because it don't matter anyway.
It's kind of loud as fuck.
Yeah, that bit was loud as hell. Damn.
Pork belly is a commodity used to make bacon.
Alright, so here we go. Drop back down to 88 cents. Alright, people, throughout this show, y'all gonna hear all these goddamn Virgin Galactic digits. On up, down, up, down, up, down. Y'all got to excuse us because we are in one of the terms that we will be covering on the show. We are day traders. You know what I'm saying? Looking to do some trades during the day if the market is feasible enough to allow us to make a trade. Currently, it is not. But it's all good. All right, so here we go. Are we froze?
I don't think I froze. Am I froze?
Oh, okay. No, I'm looking at it on the other side, and it's showing like we lagged out or something. But all right, they'll make a correction for that on their end. That's StreamYards. They'll do it. But so right at the beginning of the movie. And trading places right at the beginning, you start hearing all these terms, and when they first get Eddie, when they first do the trade, you know what I'm saying, the swapping Dan Aykroyd and Eddie Murphy, and they sit Eddie down, and they have all of these items laid out on the table. So they had the bread, the orange juice, the bacon. And then I think was it coffee and gold. So I think it was like five different assets. Coffee, I think it's somewhere around there. Now I have to look back. But the bacon that was on the table was what?
I don't have it.
Huh?
Hold on, my shit.
You don't have
what's going on my shit. Can you?
Yeah, you just say I don't have it. I don't have it, and then you blanked out on me. Nah, hey.
All right.
Well, the mic keep going in and out or something?
Nah. That's my fault. I'm clicking too much shit at one time.
Oh, hey, shit, you gotta have a souped up computer to do that.
I ain't on no Mac, nigga.
You know what I'm saying? Hey,
I'm on that goddamn brother, you know.
Yeah. You want to do simultaneous shit, people? You got to get an Apple. Yeah, I'm sorry, they just hands down, they seamless. You know what I'm saying? I ain't never seen glitches or anything. It's just like that. I don't give a damn how many applications you got running, open, and none of that. Goddamn Max, this is on something else. Right? All right. Don't forget, you got yourself back on mute. Just to let you know.
Keep getting on mute.
I don't know how you keep going. Yeah, I don't know how you keep it.
All right, hold on. We'll move about
Yeah.
All right.
Thank you. All right, so again, so in the pictures with all those different pictures of the different items that the assets that are available for trade or investment in. One of them was the bacon. He had the little plate with the strips of bacon that represented pork bellies. Okay, and we heard that throughout the whole goddamn movies. That was like beyond the orange juice and bacon. Those are the two highest assets that they was really investing in and watching. You know what I'm saying, for movement. So pork bellies is a commodity used to make bacon, but it's also a trading term for a type of future contract. So
I didn't know
you
that.
could investing into pork bellies is investing into some type of commodity, because bacon is also sausage links, sausage patties. You know what I'm saying? Uncle John sausage, Roger Wood. You got all these different, you know what I'm saying? Different companies, uh, Hillshire Farms, all these different companies, you know what I'm saying, can be offering these different pork belly products. You see what I'm saying? So Hillshire Farm could be offering, uh, they main product is just sausage. They don't make bacon. They just make sausage. That's all they focus on. While you got Smoky's, uh, you know, pork house, but all they do is bacon. You know what I'm saying? That's their main thing. All they do is bacon. So therefore, yeah, you can invest into the two different stocks because they two different commodities. One is they the same, but they're different. Still under that veil of pork bellies, but it's still two different assets. Because one is one company sells sausages, one company sells just bacon. But it's falling under that veil of pork bellies. That's how I'm terming it. Now you put your spin on it.
I mean, I see. I mean, I guess I see it the same way because I never knew that the pork belly term was like a futures trading term. So to be honest, I'm just learning that right now. You know what I mean? So, uh, yet again, I don't know everything. I don't know everything,
Hey,
and in the day, I just now found. I was like, I thought pork belly was just fucking pork belly. I didn't know that it was a direct term correlating with different
what?
types
Right.
of stocks and stuff. So, you know, people, we look. He teach me, I teach him. We learn from each other, and we try to teach y'all what we learn from each other. That's what y'all gonna get from us, bro. We ain't afraid to say we don't know some shit, but better believe if we don't know some shit, we gonna go find out the shit. You know what I mean? That's what type of people we are. You know what I mean? So
But
yeah,
but but, but again, when the last time you heard a motherfucker use the term pork bellies?
yeah,
That's an '80s term. You feel me? That's a throwback trading term. Like this don't use pork bellies no more. They calling it what it is. You know what I'm saying? And not you ain't yeah, I ain't heard that. I ain't even heard pork bellies since the goddamn movie. You know what I'm saying? I ain't seen pork bellies listening, no news, no nothing. But again, it leads into another term that we're gonna cover too. You know what I'm saying? Which is future contract. That'll be later. It's another term, but it's related to that. So again, pork bellies is a commodity used to make bacon, but also a trading term for a type of future contract. That's all. It's what you need to know. You know what I'm saying? So when you start investing in pork bellies, that's one of the main things you would need to know. All right, and then moving on. What the fuck is going on over here? That shit keep freezing up, which I don't know why. 'Cause I'm trying to play this damn slide, and it's just a video, people. It's just a fucking video. Stream y'all got to tighten up, man.
hey,
I mean, right?
I just brought 21 shares of Virgin Galactic for 88 on Robinhood.
Oh, okay, on Robert. Yeah. All right, and there we go. Our next term is futures contract. All right, futures contract is an agreement to buy or sell a set amount of a commodity at a specified price at a specified time in the future. Hence, future contract. So you take an agreement to say I want to buy 1,000 pork bellies. You know, I don't even want to keep using.
I want to buy 1,000 pork bellies.
1,000 shares of Virgin Galactic. You know what I'm saying? Now here you go. So that's your amount of a commodity. So now you're going to buy or sell. The commodity is Virgin Galactic at a specified price. What he just said, 88 cents. You know what I'm saying? And I'm buying it at a specified time in the future. So right now it's set at 88 cents. But what we talked about earlier was 83 cents. You know what I'm saying? So that's a price that we want to buy in the future. So we can set our buy-in at 83 cents. So that in the future, whenever it either goes down to that point from 88 to 83, that's a futures contract, and then we can execute it, and you can do that for a buy or sell.
Hey, this Virgin Galactic today.
Nigga just bought it at 88 cents. It dropped down to 87.
Oh shit! Hell, like you go in with an instant hell.
That just be so stupid though. Cause it did not a damn thing. I'm talking about it ain't moved people. At the last 30 minutes we've been sitting here. As soon as this motherfucker about 20 goddamn shares, this bitch go down and say, "Oh shit, it's got interest. Somebody's watching. Go down, go down." No, motherfucker, you supposed to go up.
That's all right. I don't give a fuck. Keep on going down. Give me about 3 hours. I'm about number 20 shares of that shit.
Yeah, I read if they go 83, then and even if I buy the $30 worth, it'll average me down to at least 95, 94 cents. And see, that's the other thing, people. You can do one or two things. You can either chase the average, which is your average cost per share.
That's the fuck we be doing.
That's what we do. To be honest with you, we chase that average cost because the lower that you get your average cost compounded with more shares at the same time you're doing that, that's when you again, you're waiting for the future. You know what I'm saying? And we're waiting for that asset to come back up. We know it is because shit, just last week, last week or the week before, it was banging out $1.40, $1.41. You know what I'm saying? The bitch hit, even ticked up, I think, to $1.44 and swung on it one time and then came back down and started boxing again with everybody else before it just lost its fight. You know what I'm saying? Because it didn't have enough support. Trainers gave up on it and shit. You know what I'm saying? The tower boy walked out on it. The water boy threw him a goddamn bottle of vodka. Shit. And then Virgin goddamn went all over the place and shit. I don't know what's going on. But it's all good. You know what I'm saying? Gotta be in it to win it, people. You know what I'm saying? At any amount is a good amount as long as you in the motherfucker. You know what I'm saying? Anybody that's out the motherfucker, it's just that. They're out the motherfucker. All right, let's see what the fuck is going on. Where's my man, there's something going crazy. I can't. All right, I'll tell you what. Don't even worry about it. I was gonna try to sit up here and do the side-by-side presentation, but it's making it lag out. It's making it lag out real bad, matter of fact. So we are going to nix that. All right, cut that out, and then I'll run it through the back door. Yeah. I can run the turns through the back door, people. And that way, we ain't got to sit up here and be worrying about shit. Oh goddamn, fucked up. Oh, I could do a share screen share. Oh, okay, yeah, I think. Wait a minute, people. Let's try something else. Let's do this.
I think about
Screen
it.
share.
Then I'm gonna put it up at like $20 or Virgin Galactic, just so I can have $100 for that show or Robinhood. Have 100 shares.
Window week 26 share. Bam. There we go. All right, now that should work. That should work a lot better. Work a lot better and be lag free. Yeah. Yep. Okay. So now we got new term. Ding-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling. Pee-wee's Playhouse and shit. New term. It's called the float. And a float is the number of shares a company has issued to the public that are available for trade. How long you been goddamn trading?
Me? What trading?
Yeah.
Man.
You ever heard of a goddamn float?
Well, yeah, I knew what that was.
Cause some of these terms to me, I be listening, I be wanting like it's not an active term. You see what I'm saying? Like that's not something they with a pun float around.
I only know that because I watch videos, something like ones we create when it's giving terminology and shit like that.
Oh, okay. And they cover that the float.
And mind you, that was 7-8 years ago. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, okay. Well, there you go. And in this scene right here, this is the scene where they just initiated the actual. No, that's when he won the dollar bet. This was at the end of the movie where he was in the bathroom and Eddie was hiding in the stall and smoking weed and shit, which the scene didn't even make no sense. Because how the fuck you non-smoking ass motherfuckers coming to a goddamn empty ass, pristine smelling motherfucking bathroom and he just goddamn took a puff, blew it all through the goddamn vent so everybody in the other office can get high and shit. And then he get down, y'all walk right in. Bet you would have smelt that shit. I don't give a damn what, especially some 1983 weed, nigga. You would have smelt that shit. Yeah, nigga, you would have smelt that shit, even in a joint.
That's that skunk, that Northern Lights.
Yeah. But that's what that scene was, you know what I'm saying? And that was the pivotal point because the whole movie, if you look at the movie, man, the movie is so simplistic in its goddamn writing. It did nothing but repeat itself. The movie didn't do nothing but repeat itself.
What you mean by that?
Because the whole first part that it played, Eddie being all, you know, destitute and bumming and doing all this, and then the whole first part you seen was Poindexter, you know what I'm saying, doing all the rich, nerdly shit. Soon as they made the bet, what did they do? They just played the whole movie again and just put goddamn Dan Aykroyd in Eddie place and put Eddie, but every single scene is the same. Dan Aykroyd found the money, the illegal money, you know what I'm saying, first. Eddie came back when he flipped, and then he exposed the money. You see what I'm saying? The first time the money gets exposed, the brother didn't know shit about it. The second time when Eddie come back, now he up on game, and he like, I'll take care of this. It's everything they did, they just flip-flopped this shit. Even this scene. At the end of the movie, when they came and them two stupid motherfuckers were sitting there broke, what the hell Dan Aykroyd did? Pulled out the dollar, pop, handed it, which is the mimic of this scene. Every single thing they did, they just really flip-flopped and ran the fucking scene all the way back over again. Yeah, and just flipped the fucking kid. They traded places. Like literally. Well, that's man. This movie, people. I had to watch this bitch about 100 motherfucking million times. It's just so much shit in it. You know what I'm saying? It's a lot of shit.
3 times. Like Eddie and Dan Aykroyd traded places. Then Eddie and Dan Aykroyd traded places with different.
And then at the end, which it could be Trading Places Part 2, because you got Mortimer now traded places with both of them.
Yeah.
Because Eddie ain't poor no more. He rich. You see what I'm saying? So now both of them have taken the place of both of them, because Dan Aykroyd ain't poor no more. He's rich. But he was there. He traded places, and now he's back into his place. And now these motherfuckers have traded places with both of them. And now they ass in the goddamn poorhouse. Well, that's a deep ass motherfucking move, people. Y'all got to open up your motherfucking third eye on that type of shit. You know what I'm saying? Because there's a lot of fucking.
I think after the show, I'm gonna go in and watch this shit. You know, I think I'm gonna sit back.
Man, a lot of shit, man. You about to, man. I'm talking about smoke a fat one too. I'm talking about smoke a goddamn. Wait, that motherfucker. Right, that was, you know. Okay. Yeah, you gotta hit that bitch. You got to hit that bitch 2 times. Wait a minute. I gotta know it. This mother. Yeah, right. Right.
It's a fucking good movie when they make a fucking law after fucking Eddie Murphy over this shit.
I mean, and you gave him and you allowed him to have a lot of play in the movie. You know what I'm saying? A lot of input. Like a lot of the reasons and dialogues and certain scenes, that was specifically because he wanted to give it that black experience, not that, hey, jive turkey, you know what I'm saying? Not that shit. That corny ass stereotype shit. You know what I'm saying? That if you got white writers, you know what I'm saying, that's how those scenes would be portrayed. Or like if you got black writers for other people, you know what I'm saying? Those scenes will be portrayed with some hey, soul, what up, brother? You know what I'm saying? But it'll be from our context. It just be flipped. His context, he because he's playing that character, he was able to keep, you know what I'm saying, keep it real. And they allow him to do that. And that's why his genius just really shine all the way throughout the whole fucking movie. He's a professional improvist / actor, you know what I'm saying? But improv is his shit. Just on the spot, coming up with stories and hitting you with some funk. That's his genius.
Take that.
All right. Take that. Oh man, we can't use that on this show. Sorry, people. Take back. Hey, take back. If y'all know we talk about people weird, well, fucking did. Don't worry. Y'all must be P. Diddy fans and shit. Y'all be you goddamn Diddy fans. Y'all, man. We also take back. Y'all want to take that. We want to take back. Fuck that shit.
Damn.
Right.
This whole time, I use that shit. I ain't know that. I bought these little vegan hemp wraps and shit, and I didn't know they came with the little smoke tip in it. How to use that motherfucker?
Oh. All right, yeah, anything coming in kit. Yeah, I want all that. All that.
Oh, shit.
All right, there's another term. I think we might have covered this before, but I'm gonna run it back just because, you know, shit, week 26. God damn it! If y'all know what we talking about right now, anyway, you need to do what?
You can go back to week 1.
Okay, damn it. Arbitrage. You know what I'm saying? Arbitrage is simultaneously buying and selling securities, currency, or commodities in different markets to profit from price discrepancies. Arbitrage. Now, this is my thing. So see, like with Cash App is not in real time as Webull and Robinhood.
So like the updates on what's going on with the market, or you mean?
Yeah, or just the movements too, because like right now, if you look on Robinhood, that shit might show like 80. It might show 88. You know what I'm saying? Like it keep bumping, but it's not. It just keep bumping. It'll bump 87, 88, 87, 88. Cash App won't show that. It only shows solid movement. You know what I'm saying? So if it's 87, it's 87. If it go up to 88, when it goes solidly to 88, you'll see 88. It doesn't show the fluctuation of the other markets, like real time.
Right.
You know, so my thing is that arbitrage. So if I'm seeing the price over here on Cash App and it's still at 87, but fucking Robinhood got it at 89. Say 89 for some crazy reason. Like it ain't. If I buy it on Cash App and try to buy it on Robinhood, but because of the price discrepancy, I got it lower first on. I don't know what I'm trying to figure it out. I gotta go.
I get what you're saying. So you pretty much saying like because it's 88 on Robinhood and then it's fucking 85 on Coinbase. Why can't I know that it's gonna go up to 89 on Robinhood and just buy it on Coinbase at 85 and let it go up to Coinbase on 8? That's what you're trying to say?
Well, no, I'm just trying to, because see, this is saying simultaneously buying and selling.
But you got to understand, like, that's the,
What? It froze up. You know, it froze up. What happens when you get in a good conversation, people shit just freeze the fuck up on you and shit. You know what I mean? That shit froze up on a motherfucker, man. I don't know what happened. Shit not froze up on a motherfucker. All right. But now we're trying to figure out. I'm trying to figure out. Let's go into it. Hold on, people. Let's shit. All right, Investopedia. That's what the hell Investopedia is for. You know what I'm saying? When you don't know something fully. Hey, brother, just to let you know, man, you froze and something is definitely going on your end. Oh. All right. He'll be back, people. He'll be back. I don't know what happened to him, but he'll be back. All right, so let me try to hit y'all with something real quick. Hold on. Let me hit y'all with something. Oh, I forgot to put the damn music on anyway. So hold on. All right, here we go. Put a little funky jam. Funky jam. Not sure what happened to Crypto Tony. He'll be back. Fell out on us for a quick second. All right, let's go on Investopedia real quick. I just want to jump into it, then we're going to get back into the turn. Arbitrage, mutual funds, benefits and drawbacks. This is from Investopedia. An arbitrage fund aims to buy and sell securities in different markets. This allows individuals to profit from any slight price differentials in these markets. Sounds good. But before you decide to invest in one, it is crucial to understand how arbitrage funds work and if they make sense for your portfolio. It's a type of mutual fund. It can be a good choice for investors who want to profit from a volatile market without taking on too much risk. Funds are relatively low risk, but the payoff can be unpredictable. Funds are taxed like liquidity funds, and investors need to keep an eye on expense ratios, which can be high. So arbitrage funds profit on price differentials in different markets. They may purchase stock in the cash market and sell that interest in the futures market. And that's because the most important types of arbitrage occur between these two markets, even though it's small. And the arbitrage funds must execute a large number of trades each year to make any substantial gains. So, yeah, I mean, do your research. You know what I'm saying? If you, that might be something for you. You know, might not. You know, that don't really sound like anything to me. But that's what arbitrage is. All right, it applies to you. You know, use it. But again, we're not giving out financial advice. You know what I'm saying? We're not financial advisors. So we're only giving you pertinent information, man, that you just need to know as you are in the stocks and crypto trading sphere. And this is the Bitcoin and Mo Show. This is your host, Smelly Coins. You know what I'm saying? Out here representing. Sometimes my dog, Crypto Tony, the one and only. Back in the building. Okay.
My bad, people. My laptop died. Bye-bye.
Yeah. Oh, okay. I done had that happen to me while I was DJing. I was fucked around and forgot to plug the bitch up. You know what I mean? I'm jamming my ass off. Like that. What? Oh, yeah. That Let's Dance turned into Let's. That was it. Yeah. Let's restart this bitch and plug this motherfucker up, get some power, goddammit. Y'all low. Gotta start beatboxing on the mic and shit. What you doing? I'll give you raw entertainment until the reset. All right. I think one of these we have. Y'all don't pay attention to me, people. I'm completely retarded. You know what I'm saying?
That's that roach blunt. That's where all the good weed at.
What?
And you get the best high of those roach blunts, man. Just let y'all know that. I don't know if y'all know, but
I told my own brother that a long time ago. Niggas used to be throwing away. They got me looking like a crackhead and shit, cause motherfuckers want to throw it. Man, you don't throw that big. I mean, they throw big ass roaches away. Like, nigga, that's still a blunt. Like, shit, my homeboy be throwing away. I'm like, man, y'all crazy as hell. Man, yeah, let me get that. Yeah, let me get that. I know you niggas don't smoke dirty, so yeah, let me get that. You got to be careful of the blunts you collect, though. You know what I mean? Yeah, fuck around and get a dirty blunt, bitch. Yeah, all right. You want me to get the wrong goddamn roach how you want it, goddamn it. Man, my lips numb. The fuck kind of weed make your lips numb and shit? This must have had some goddamn Novocaine in it. All right, people, just like we'll talk about with the pork bellies, all right? Commodities are physical goods like gold, oil, or corn, or pork bellies that are traded on the market. But physical goods, technically, bacon is not the physical good. Okay, that's why it's not listed. It's not a commodity because the pig itself is the commodity. It's the physical good. You know what I'm saying? When you cut the pig up and make bacon and all this other kind of shit out of it, you know what I'm saying? That's not traded on the market. The pig itself is the actual commodity. What you do with the pig, you know what I'm saying? You can do what the fuck you want, just like gold. You know what I'm saying? A brick of gold is the commodity, not a bunch of chains, the gold chains, or a bunch of gold rings. It's the gold brick. And what you choose to do with that gold brick afterwards, you do.
You make pork belly. You make bacon, baby.
Corn is the same way. Corn is physical. You know what I'm saying? Until you start, shredding it down and then drying it out, and then you make popcorn. Or you dry it out and then you start making fibers and making clothes. Or you start drying it out and making ethanol and making fuel. Oil is physical because it's when your ass die, that's what the fuck you turn into, oil. You know what I'm saying? You turn into fuel for this planet. But that's physical because you can dig into the ground and you can physically pump oil and you can physically put it in your hand. Now, it's up to you what you going to do with that oil. Whether you take that oil and put it into some pistons to make an engine work, or you take that oil and refine it down so you can use it in the household projects to stop squeaky doors and other applications. It's a physical commodity that's traded on the market. That's what commodities are. You want to add anything to that?
Don't go skating down hills.
What the hell? That ain't a goddamn commodity. That's called two physical. Goddamn, I don't even know what the hell that's called. Let me chat GPT for two physical and shit. You know what I'm saying? Let's see what the fuck AI come up with. Don't skate with Baltimore niggas. Oh, okay. Two physical. Too physical. That would fucking say. Look at chat. I just chat GPT the shit through my Google brain interface. Y'all ain't got that shit yet. You know what I'm saying? Hold on. Press the button.
I was putting in motherfucking boot.
They got a ski boot on. Nigga, I ain't know you ski and shit. Nigga, you should have told a nigga. I would have brought the skis, nigga. You know what I mean? I ski too, nigga. Shit, I'm all sport. You know what I'm saying? Snowboard. Even though I'm from Florida, nigga, I snowboard too. You know what I mean? Shit. Goddamn right. On water. It's called surfing, but it's the same thing.
It's not the same thing, man. One you can drown in.
Well, I'm just saying, same thing. Same thing. All right, we get to another one with Jamie Lee Curtis. She was looking all nice in this movie, boy. Them titties was looking what? Yes.
Let them titties swing.
Them titties. Yep, titties. She's a nice little frame white woman. I'm talking about.
This is not a children's show.
I don't know. Everybody should have known. And if y'all ain't know, because we announced in week 1, this is an uncut, uncensored show. So this show is for preferably 21 and up, because shit, you need to be able to drink on this motherfucker, you know what I'm saying, and smoke. And you can't do that, you know what I'm saying, under 21. So yeah, that's pretty much where our limit is set, 21 and up. You know what I'm saying? Sorry, 18-year-old motherfuckers. Congratulations on your graduation, but bitch, you got 3 more years. You know what I'm saying? You got 3 more years to grow up, motherfuckers. That's what they try to tell y'all motherfuckers.
That's the Baltimore Club song. 21 and over, make some noise. If you're 21 and over, make some noise.
I'm 20 and a half. No, bitch, get the fuck out of here. I don't hear no half and shit. You know what I mean? No fucking half.
Minimum requirements to serve.
Yeah, be
loyal.
Yeah, be nuts. All right, another term they don't use.
All right, go ahead.
You can read it, motherfucker. You feel like reading shit. Go ahead, Mr. Rogers. Mr. Rogers feel like reading today, people.
Beautiful day in the neighborhood. Beautiful day in the neighborhood. Won't you buy some?
Would you like to smoke with my neighbor? I'm going to smoke with my neighbor. That's what he needs to remix that shit.
Yeah, man, yo, and I just realized I ain't even been in here. I ain't touched none of that shit you gave.
What's that?
All that shit you brought up here when you came. I'm sitting right here looking at it right now. I was like, damn, I forgot all about that shit was up there.
Oh, you better use the world's finest motherfucking what? Smell goods, goddamn holistic products. That goddamn toothpaste, your tooth went to crack. You know what I'm saying? If you would have used that goddamn toothpaste that I got down left, you know what I'm saying? I'm just letting you know. But I'm just letting you know. I'm just Why you gotta bring up old shit? You gotta bring up old
We got a lot of shit.
What? We think he's gonna have a cast in his mouth and shit.
Yeah.
I ain't never seen him make a boot for a tooth.
Hey, yeah. I'm done, yeah. I'm done, yeah.
Wait a minute, wait. Is this show on? Is this show on? Oh shit. Oh shit, my stomach hurt. Oh shit, my stomach hurt. Alright. Alright, we reset people. Shit. Alright. Whew. Alright, y'all ready? Alright, here we go. And like I was saying, commenting on the scene, you know what I'm saying? Jamie Lee Curtis had a hot body in the movie. She really did. But in True Lies, woo, she did that. She boy, that little strip, the pole scene. You remember True Lies with Arnold Schwarzenegger?
Was she played like the assassin or something?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then she had to, she had to do a little dancing scene. Thompson now, take it off real slowly. Yeah. And then, boy, she got no kids. She was like, fuck y'all. All this shit I had to do for Hollywood, I ain't bringing no kids up in this whole trifling man shit. Y'all kiss ass. But pit trading, which we no longer use, is the method of trading in a physical location, such as a trading floor featured in the movie Trading Places. Now, right now, wait a minute. I'm not on the trading floor. I'm down on the trading floor, you know what I'm saying? And that's what this is, when you physically whip out your phone and go into your assets and start, you know what I'm saying, going through the shit, yeah. You on the trading floor, no matter what asset, let's go to Robinhood. Let me look. These are trading floors now. These are the same pit tradings, the same trading floors that you've seen featured in the movie. You know what I'm saying? Damn, somebody dipping like a motherfucker. AVAX says dropping like a bitch. God damn, AVAX.
Hey, man.
Doesn't matter. One thing
we need to pick some day trading was, bro. The day trader picks every day.
Yeah, I'm saying, man, I got to get something back up in the green to do that, because I don't give a damn. I had Lil, whatever the fuck, and I could have been doing it off of that. You know what I'm saying? Making a little, just even practice making day trades, people. You know what I'm saying? Don't have to be nothing that's got big money into it. The purpose of it is to get into habit. You know what I'm saying? And once you do stuff repetitiously, then it becomes habit forming, just like this show. I done got up 7 o'clock this morning, you know what I'm saying? Just I can come out here and put this goddamn little presentation together, right before, you know what I'm saying, the show, hour before the show started. So we can have this, you know what I'm saying? And not just us talking and shit, something that y'all can see, you know what I'm saying? You can tangibly follow. Anyway, let me get the fuck out of it. Let me get the fuck off the trading floor, get back into the goddamn show flow. You know what I'm saying? Gotta get back to the show flow. Check it out. This keyboard, right? I just remembered. I can Bluetooth the goddamn keyboard to my phone. And I can use this motherfucker simultaneously on my laptop and on my phone. Matter of fact, hold on. Let me see if it's...
You got Temu?
Yeah.
I'm gonna go with Temu, man.
Oh, and that's on there. Okay, now look. Now, you see where I'm at, right? All right, now I'm on my phone. Okay, now I'm on the phone, and I'm finna switch the music up. I'm from way over here, people. Right? See, the music just switched up. I'm controlling the damn phone from way over here on this keyboard. Now I can even turn the banners on and off. Turn the banner on and off. Bam! Look at that. Y'all want to hit us up with the Cash App? Turn that on. You know what I mean? Oh, this shit souped up.
Oh, this shit souped the fuck up.
Hell nah. And I didn't even know that it stayed Bluetooth to my shit. Oh, man, y'all done fucked up. I can control two things at once. So I can sit up here and be fucking around and then click 2G, and now I'm back on my laptop. Boom. Boy, that's some hard shit. That's some fucking hard shit. I paid $37 for that motherfucker. Excellent goddamn purchase. I can, you see the keyboard? I can change the color and shit.
You been on Temu spending mad money, bro. I'm about to, you think you can get on Temu?
Man, hold up. Let me tell y'all something, man. Because America keep talking shit about Temu. Just because, you know, bitches in on y'all unkept secret, how y'all been jacking, selling bitches shit 4,000% and shit. You know what I'm saying? Over market price. And now bitches got access to it. But again, it's the only thing I'm going to tell people. It's not a consumer's website. It's not for you to sit up there and just be buying shit for your personal. That is not the purpose. The prices that they're offering are for you to go, yeah, and buy you an outfit, just like I put up on my homeboy last night. You know what I'm saying? He said he ordered 2 outfits. The outfits was too small. He turned it around, and you know what I'm saying, and his sister seen the outfits, and then he sold it to her for $20 a piece. I guarantee he only paid probably $8 for the motherfucking outfit.
Yeah.
You see what I'm saying? And I told him, I said, bro, that was showing you what you should have been doing. We live in a monkey see, monkey do society. Whatever the fuck I put on, you know how many other motherfuckers want to wear that same shit? If I got it available, and if I got it on the rack, you'll see 10 other motherfuckers walking around with the same goddamn outfit I got on. Because they feel it looks fresher than on them than it do on you. So you always, when you buy something, I told her, I said, you buy an outfit the next time, you buy 2 more outfits of that same size. You know what I'm saying? Of that same size, and you buy an outfit for yourself. Then you're going to go and sell them 2 outfits. And now you done tripled your money and you still got that outfit for free. But that's the purpose of the website. That's the whole purpose of Temu. It's not to sit up there and just be going and becoming a goddamn Asian hoarder, a hoarder of Chinese products and shit. You know what I'm saying? No, that ain't a fuck no. It's just a quick flip. You know what I'm saying? Get you in and get out. Get you some quick money off of it. All I'm saying, shit. You like, damn, Smell, I ain't think about it that way. Nigga, you better goddamn get this fucking thinking, nigga. Shit. Fuck it. Hey, he said they trying to talk about it on the low and shit. Yeah, you know, this place I be getting my nigga Temu, nigga. You talking the same place I get these fucking watches and everything else at, nigga. I don't give a fuck. I'm telling you, motherfucker, what I'm doing with it. Whip the watches out. Same goddamn watch. Oh yeah, I know, nigga. You look like a goddamn walking Temu goddamn poster board and shit. I ought to take a picture of you. Everything you got is Temu. The shoes, socks, the watch, nigga, everything. You know what I'm saying? My other homeboy walk around with all the fake ass goddamn rings, all that shit Temu. $5 goddamn worth of motherfucking jewelry look like a $500 worth. You just can't keep it on more than goddamn 5 hours, you know? Y'all ain't gonna be Cinderella story around this motherfucker. You know what I'm saying? Shit. Everything is turning back. Oh, it's turning back. Oh, it's all turning back. What happened to the gold? It's silver now. Now it's rust. What the fuck? Right. Yeah, bitch. You got it. Wore that motherfucker a little too goddamn long. But anyways, all right, people, let's take out. Let's keep it moving, man. We got to get it in and get it going. You know what I'm saying? 2 hours in the goddamn show.
We on Temu.
We done went and did a whole goddamn advertisement. We ain't even affiliate marketing and shit. I can see if we was affiliate marketing and telling y'all to go to Bitcoin and Mo, you know, BTC and Mo, and hit the affiliate links, or go to Uncrypted Crypto and hit the affiliate links. We ain't got no goddamn affiliate links, so you know, maybe nigga need affiliate links. You know what I mean?
Hey, we need to create a website. Yeah, create a website and put all our affiliate links on there and sell all our products on there. Baltimore King Skincare Company coming soon, man.
Hey.
Shameless plug.
That's a long position we taking, people. You know what I'm saying? Long position. A situation in which you buy and keep a security or derivative with the expectation that it will rise in value and make a profit. Same thing he just said. If we can sit up there and put a website together, you know what I'm saying, and populate it with our products and links and all of that, then we should sit back and wait for it to rise in value and then eventually make a profit, because what can also happen is the website can become so profitable that it gains the attention of somebody who wants to buy out the website. And then you sell the whole fucking website and everything that's included, like a turnkey business for another, you probably could quadruple your money, you know what I'm saying, now at the value that you don't, time and money that you don't put into it to make the value rise so you can make a profit off of it. But as far as like Virgin Galactic, you know what I'm saying? That's why we have a long position in Virgin Galactic, you know. That's why we're buying and we're keeping the security with the expectation that it will rise in value from its current 88 cents. You know what I'm saying? Up, right, up to, somewhere high, so we can make a profit. You know what I'm saying? That's the expectation, and that's holding a long position, and that's what you want to do. You know what I'm saying? We're going to add something to the long position. What's important about the long position?
Don't worry about the roller coaster that come with the long position. If you're in it for the long term, you're gonna be up, it's gonna be down, it's gonna be up, it's gonna be down. That's the emotional roller coaster that comes with taking a long-term play. You know, as long as the fundamentals don't change and the business that you decided to invest in is still fundamentally going the same direction, don't worry about the emotional roller coaster that comes with the stock market going up and down. You know what I mean? Just because it's on the stock market, sometimes it moves exactly the way the stock market moves, because the stock market as a whole is going down. You know, so when it's going up as a whole too, you make money. So with the long-term positions, I think my biggest input that I want you guys to realize is that don't worry about the up and down that come with a long position. Set a date 2, 3 years, 5 years out, 10 years out, and be confident and cool with that date, and either buy a lump sum at one time or gradually over time add to your long position. But price cost average down, long positions are meant to be long positions. If you sell, when your long position go down 20% and you're in a loss of 20%, then you solidify that loss. Long positions will go through ups and downs all the time. So stand strong with your long positions and your due diligence that you did on the company before you brought it. So yeah, that's my stance on long position.
Before you bought it.
Before you brought it.
FOMO. No FOMO. You know what I'm saying? No fear of missing out, goddamn. We'll play no FOMO. You goddamn feeling to yourself. You know what I'm saying? When you come in this motherfucker, that's why you really do need to watch that movie. Watch Trading Places and pay attention. You know what I'm saying? That one scene when Dan, when they heading to Duke and Duke, and Dan is schooling Eddie on, you got to be vicious, take no motherfucking prisoners, keep your goddamn feelings out of this shit. This is nothing but war when you hit this motherfucking floor. It's trading floor. It's war. It's no friends. It's no none of that shit. You know what I'm saying? It's all about goddamn the money. And the money ain't got no friends. The movement ain't got no friends. It ain't got no enemies. It ain't got nothing but negative and positive fucking movement. And the only thing you got to do is get in there and learn how to either play off a negative or goddamn play off a positive. Either way, you know what I'm saying? You got to get in there and watch the movement and govern yourself accordingly. So there you go. This was a term that was rammed together accidentally, but liquidity simply just means the ease in which an asset can be bought. That's it. It's very simple. Liquidity, if you know how liquid an asset is how easy it can be bought. What's the importance of liquidity? Of why should we be looking for liquidity in an asset?
If ain't no liquidity in it, then it ain't no asset.
There we go. If you can't easily buy the shit, like right now, fucking, it don't matter. Any weed stocks have no liquidity right now.
No.
Aurora Cannabis.
What you trying to say is your Jolo coin ain't got no liquidity right now.
Oh well, yeah.
Right.
Yeah. Right.
Liquidity means there's no money in the asset.
Yeah. And you can't. You can't purchase it. So again, Aurora Cannabis, there's no liquidity in it because you can't purchase the shit. You can only sell it.
They take it out of the stock market.
All them stocks, none of them through Cash App.
Damn, they got delisted. Damn, I didn't know that.
I mean, they still there, but you can't buy into them. You can only sell them.
That means they got delisted.
Yeah, I mean they. All right, so you got Canopy Growth. All right, Canopy Growth. The current share price is $8.33. Now, isn't it a certain threshold that they have to be at? You know what I'm saying? In order to stay on the exchange.
At $1.
At $1.
And if it trade under $1 for more than I think 30 to 90 days, I'm not sure which one it is. Then the stock whatever will send them a notification saying that they got meeting the standards to stay on the stock exchange. And then they either do a reversal stock split, right, or they get delisted.
Yeah, when I go, I'm gonna try. Yeah, this stock is only available to sell. Yeah. So, but this would don't make no sense though. Now that you got the U.S. government about to declass or reclassify or whatever the fuck, you know what I'm saying, marijuana and shit, just so you know, maybe people can make motherfucking money off of it, man. I would assume these stocks will be relisted though. You know what I'm saying? Because none of them, all of them over $1. You know, Aurora at $6 a share. Who else was it? Tilray. Only one Tilray is close because they had $1.81. But shit. All right, let me finish up these last couple of turns for y'all real quick, because we're gonna get lost in goddamn we'll be lost in stock land on y'all ass over here. That's what we do. That's what we do. You know what I'm saying?
What's next?
Oh, and shouts out to all the multiple roles that they played in the movie, man. If y'all didn't peep game, Jamie Lee Curtis played about 4 or 5 different roles. Eddie played about 4 or 5 different roles. Dan Aykroyd played about 4 or 5 different roles. He dressed in the blackface. He was the Santa Claus. He was, the actual rich dude. You know what I'm saying? Like, he played a couple. Everybody played a couple of characters in the movie. You know what I'm saying? And so great acting. It was wonderful acting, man. I can only just can't say enough about it. You know what I'm saying? Even watching it 20 plus years later, you know what I'm saying? The fucking movie is just so eye opening. Like, it's one of like watching Back to the Future, and then you watch the shit, and now you see CD players, and we actually got flying cars, and we got boots that pump up. You know what I'm saying? And we got all that shit. Like, we got the fucking little Star Trek communicator. Because every time you go into Walmart, what do you see a bitch do? Press this shit. Hey, Jan, bring me up something. Hey, Tom, bring me up. Every time they press that little motherfucking black dot, communicating. Star Trek shit. You know what I'm saying? It's just not all fancified and shit. But it's the same fucking technology right in front of your face. Same shit. All right, last turn, people. Last term for the day is the moving average, new term, the moving average, or MA. It is a stock indicator commonly used in technical analysis. And the reason for calculating the moving average of a stock is to help smooth out the price data by creating a constantly updated average price. Therefore, you have the moving average. And to me, that moving average is what you see on Robinhood and Coinbase and Webull versus Cash App. You don't see the moving average. You know what I'm saying? So you only again, it will only, if it's at 87 until it gets to a solid 88, then that's when you will see it. If it's doing just a fluctuation of bumping 88 and then bumping down to 87, the only thing you're gonna see on Cash App is at 87. Even though you might go on to these other platforms and seeing it keep bouncing up and seeing 88. So you might see 88, but I see 88 here, but it's not a constant 88. It's just bouncing, testing that range, and then it's bouncing back down. So, you know, that's the moving average, though. You know, have you heard of that before? The moving average?
Yeah.
Yeah, that sounds like that's something like a
50-day EMA. Yeah, moving average. I use it.
Now, is that on somewhere? Like, is that an indicator? Does it say MA?
Yeah, there's an indicator on. You can look it up on Webull. You can use it on Webull. You gotta activate it, and it's like the 50-day moving average. You can put the 50-day, 100-day.
All right, well, there you go, people.
It's a good indicator on where buy zone. Like, so what's the average been over the last 50 days? What has been trading at? Like 88, you know, between 66 and 88. That's Virgin Galactic. That's where it keep bumping back down to. I mean, not 66, 80, 86, to 90. That's what it keep bumping back down to every time it drop.
Yeah, it's still just kicking at 87 around. I don't know. That dip, I want to see it like 85. I mean, I want to do it like 85, and then that'll show potentials for the 84 for to push down to 83. But right now, it ain't showing none of that. It's showing sleepy. I just want to go to sleep right here at 87, 88. Y'all wake me up. Later on, I ain't going nowhere.
That's the thing, though. I don't mind it staying at 87, but we don't want no freak shit to happen in the stock market because then it dip down. But I guess, hey, you just keep on averaging down. I average that shit all the way down to wherever it's at until that shit pop.
Hey, no matter, y'all can keep running, goddamn it. Run can't hide. Yeah. Run can't hide because you already showed yourself. And the fact that they already tapped that 144, you know what I'm saying? That's I mean, it tapped it. That's all I need to see. Tap.
Right now, we buying and saying, all right, look, y'all know we buying, right? We buying right now to hold for like the next year. We buying right now because in the next year, there's shit gonna go up there. Motherfucking flights gonna start taking off. That's what we doing. We holding off. We buying now so that we can take profits in a year. Maybe 2. You know what I mean? This whole year ain't nothing but buying Virgin Galactic. You know what I mean? Maybe it'll pop, you know what I mean, within this year and then take some profit real quick, then reinvest on the drop down. But we gonna understand the big pop from the just a little jump in the market.
Yeah, and it's coming. That's what's coming, because if you've been in the game, people, and you've been watching the patterns, you know what I'm saying? Again, what goes down must come up. What goes up must come down. That is the whole repetition of the game. But the whole goal of the game is to take profits. That's the end game, is to take profits. So that's really what we trying to refocus on, is to take profit. You know what I'm saying? For whatever little bit it is, take profit. And getting a repetition of buying and selling, buying and selling, buying and selling, buying and selling, buying and selling. And as I look back, I was wondering why I seen this dude like on it might be Robinhood, when you go through like the comments, and this dude had a screenshot of all his puts and calls and shit. But you see them, do you see how they were set right one after another? Put call, put call, put call, put call, put call. You know what I'm saying? Like he was buying and selling, buying and selling, buying and selling, buying and selling all the way. I mean, he had done did that shit like I don't know how many damn times. And whether he had them set for 3 times a day or not, you know what I'm saying? His pattern showed, you know what I'm saying? Like he stayed consistent, and this is consistently what he kept doing. Boom, 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 and that's how he was getting money.
And he probably wasn't even taking a lot of profit off the table each time either. Probably with a little bit of change, 20, 30, 100. 300.
I know I haven't seen it run up, so, and I know it can run up quick. You know what I'm saying? 30 cents can be a huge gain. You know what I'm saying? To 10 cents, 5 cents can be, you know, shit, 20, 30, 40, $50, you know what I mean? Easy, off a 5 cent move, you know, depending on where your share is at, you know, which is why it's important, you know, to get up as many shares as you can and leave them alone. Those are not it's not to fall back on and utilize and damn, I need $100 because I want some shoes and shit, and then you go and take the $100 out of that stock. You know what I'm saying? That's not the purpose. You know, of course, if you got an emergency or something, you need to use the money. That's one thing. But just because I need some weed and shit, and I'm gonna sell $25 of this stock. But you finna fuck up the stock itself. You finna fuck up the share count, average. You finna fuck some shit up, especially if the motherfucker in the negative, and then you started going out and talking about you're taking $25 out, and you already in the negative $25. You don't need to be taking shit out. Shit. Yeah, you doing? What you doing? It's not the time to be doing that. So, yeah, okay, that's cool, man. I learned a few new things just that quick. All right, people. Well, Mr. Crypto Tony, what else you got, Mr. Brother? My brother.
Man, I don't know, man. It's another Monday. You know what I'm saying? Another Monday, fun day. See if we can make some money on this Monday. I don't know, man. When it comes to like the stock market and crypto and shit like that, it's a down day. You know what I mean? Not too much shit up right now. But you know what I mean? Red days are buying days. Remember that. You know what I mean? That's when you accumulate. Other than that, man, just invest, people. You know what I mean? Go back to week one. Go learn some terminology. You know what I mean? Thanks for watching this episode. Appreciate you. You know, hit us up on that Cash App. You know what I mean? Hit the subscribe button, notification bell, and all that good stuff, man. We're going to be here again next Monday. Same motherfucking time. Doing the same motherfucking shit, trying to give you some information that we just learned, trying to pass it along to you to help you out in your crypto or stock journey. Hey, Melly and FMG Investments, man. What you know about it?
What you know about it?